Welcome to Intellify. Hey guys, I'm Samparna De, and today I'm here to solve question number 9 of class 9 CBSE English workbook from the Unit 4 modals. So in section C, duties and privileged, we have question number 9. According to question number 9, in some schools, the student council members are assigned duties at the beginning of every academic year. Write a job description to be given to the newly elected environment monitor of your school. You may do this individually. Later, your class as a whole can come out with one duty list to be displayed on the soft board. You may use the words given in the box below: can, may, can't, mustn't, must, should, have to. So all we have to do here is write a job description for a newly elected environmental monitor. We have been assigned this duty and we have to do it individually and later discuss in the class. We have to use the modals, that is all about this chapter or this unit 4 modals. We have to use this modals: can, may, can't, mustn't, must, should and have to in the job description that we are writing. So in the question 9.1 of duties and privileges of an environmental monitor, the job description that we need to write. Here they have given another description in the question pattern of the difference between should and ought to. So I'll read down the following now and I'll explain it after this. Did you know should and ought to have similar meanings? They show obligation or duty. However, there is a slight difference in meanings. Ought to has an objective meaning, whereas should is more subjective. We ought to or should save water. We ought to save money, but we are unable to. In this sentence, should will not be appropriate. So here they have shown us a difference between ought to and should. First of all, ought to is a bit more formal than should. We do not usually see people using ought to in spoken English because ought to is more of an objective kind of speech. Ought to expresses the whereas should expresses the subjective view. Ought to is used to represent something as a law or duty or regulation. So now the answer for the question that has been given to us to write a description or job description is as follows. Answer: you must ensure that the campus is clean. You must keep a vigil on the greenery of the campus while coming in and going out. You must report to the teacher if any student throws a plastic wrapper of chocolates, toffees, biscuits, etc. Before that, you can ask the errand to desist from throwing such bits of plastic here and there. You must ensure that the trees, hedges and flower plants are in a good condition and are properly taken care of by the gardeners. You can ask the gardeners to prune the bushes and trees whenever they are needed. At no point you must allow the degradation of the environment. So this is basically a job description about the job profile that we have been given about environmental monitor. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.